Hey everybody, it is Webkinz Fan 91 here on 7 Webikins. This week's theme is 6 ways to make KinsTube 2015 great. My ideas are probably going to be like the same that they always are for every year, ever since I've been on KinsTube. Basically, they're just ways that will make your KinsTube experience great if you follow them. The first one is obviously to avoid drama. Drama is not fun at all, and although sometimes it may make life exciting, it's not really something that any of us want to go through. And everybody always complains, why is there so much drama? Honestly, because everybody keeps making more drama. If you don't get mad at people for dumb reasons, and if you don't go in and insult people for dumb reasons, and if you don't put yourself in the middle of a situation that doesn't even involve you whatsoever, you're not gonna have any drama. Do you ever see me complaining about drama? No. Do you know why that is? I just don't do it. I don't make it. I don't get involved in it. I don't know of anybody that tries to start drama with me, probably because I very proudly will say I'm not going to get involved in it. I block and I move on. The next way to make your KinsTube 2015 great is by talking to people and getting involved. If you get involved, a lot of people are going to get to know you, and you'll get to meet new people, and you'll get to have great experiences. And if you get your name out there, you'll get more subscribers and you'll have more fun. I know a lot of KinsTubers are like, I don't have very many subscribers. And I know that means a lot, especially when you're starting out. Get involved in an MEP, subscribe to as many channels as you can, and watch their videos and talk to them. Start up conversations. There are very few KinsTubers who will not actually reply to you. I always reply to my messages. I try to talk to people as much as I can. Get involved in the community and you'll have a great experience. The third way is to make videos. They don't have to be great. They don't have to be edited. There are plenty of non-edited videos which are really great. They don't have to be fancy. They can be done with an iPhone camera or that Star app thingy. I forgot what it's called. But just make videos. Do it for fun. Do it for, I don't know, because someone requested. If you make videos, you're gonna have fun. And by making videos, I don't mean posting a video going, give me video requests. If you're bored, just take your Webkinz and go for a walk and talk about your day. Everybody's lives are different, and honestly, hearing about somebody else's day might actually be interesting to quite a few people. You'd be really surprised. Another way is by not doing the save the signature thing anymore. It annoys half of the people on KinsTube. Well, actually more than half. I guarantee more than half. It's probably 20% of people that are still doing it, and then the other 80% are annoyed with it. Or there may be a small percent who don't really care. You guys, the signatures are gone. Ganson's not going to make them anymore. I mean, yeah, sure, get them while you can on Amazon and eBay and whatever stores might have them, but they're gone. Don't do the save the six thing anymore. It's ridiculous, and honestly, it's kind of harassment to Gans, especially since a lot of people aren't very nice about it. No more save the six, okay? Let's just drop it and enjoy the signatures that we have, okay? So another way that you can make your KinsTube 2015 experience great is not by quitting. There are a lot of people, I know that you know, because this happens a lot apparently, who go, I'm quitting, nobody talks to me, and then they leave, but then they come back. You could save a lot of trouble by just going on hiatus. What does hiatus mean? Basically, you just leave for a little bit. It could be for a day, it could be for a week, it could be for a couple days, it could be for a couple months, as long as you need. Nobody is going to get mad at you or beg you to come back, or they shouldn't beg you to come back if you just go on a hiatus. If you just say, hey, I need a breather, just letting you guys know, I'll be back, when I think it's a good time to come back, and ta-da! You will be back, and you'll still have all your subscribers and all your friends. It also cuts down on drama. And last but not least, don't scam people. People who scam actually really make KinsTube experiences really bad, and a lot of KinsTubers can't trade packages anymore because they'll trade something with someone and they'll never get anything in return, and then their parents say no more trading. And let's be honest, trading packages and trading new Webkinz or used Webkinz or whatever, it's really awesome and it's really fun and it's a good way to make new friends. But if you scam somebody, you can't really make new friends. And there's really no reason to scam anybody ever. That's just total douchebaggery. And I know that word is probably not okay to use, but let's be honest. If you scam somebody, you are a douchebag. So just don't scam somebody. If you want to trade somebody, awesome. If you want, an awesome signature, well, then be the honest person and save up your money and get it, okay? Or actually send something to them. Scamming causes a lot of problems in the long run, and it makes a lot of people untrustworthy where, people want to send packages, but they can't because, the parents say they can't, or the parents say that the other person has to send first. But if everybody's parents say that, then how are we going to trade packages? Okay, well, I hope that wasn't too long, and I hope that my tips help your KinsTube 2015 experience better. Make sure you watch everybody else's videos because they probably have different ideas than I. If you follow all of these ideas, I bet your KinsTube 15 experience will be fantastic. Bye everybody, and I'll see you next week.